to Manthey. There's the Manthey truck. And we're going back because I got rid of my Carrera S and got a Carrera T. And this car, I also want to have aligned just like the black one. They're gonna do a road performance alignment, which is really, really good and worth every penny. And here we are, Manthey Service Center. Oh, look at all the amazing cars. Oh, Spider. The car has been aligned at Manthey yesterday, and now I'm going for a drive. Already when I left the place, it feels different. There's something about the magic sauce they have over there that just instantly transforms the car. It feels like it's more planted, it's more responsive, it just feels the way it should always have felt. So I recommend to everybody, if you want to maximize the performance of your 911 or Cayman or whatever Porsche you have, just pass by Manthey Racing at the Nürburgring and get that alignment done. It really is worth every penny. Oh yes, it drives like magic. Magic, magic, magic.